All right, Lee Duran, hit it.
Okay, we're going to show you how to buy a house with how much?
Hey, it's Chris and Lee. We're going to show you how to buy a house for $0 down.
I thought we were rolling before. All right, anyway, yeah, so we're going to $0 down. But first, some mood music. Are we good with that?
Let's do this.
Okay, I hope it's ready. I think it's ready. Are we good with that?
I like it.
Okay.
Turn up a little louder.
I'm going to turn it up a little louder, just so I can do this. All right.
I can't hear it.
This day. All right, we don't want it to drown us out, though. We can't drown us out. All right, let's go. How much are we going to pay for this house?
We're going to buy a house for $0 down.
No, okay, $0 down. How much is the house going to cost?
This particular house costs $380,000.
How much?
$380,000.
What's the first step?
The first step is we have to find a house for $380,000.
Got it. Step one, check. Now, how are we going to get it for $0 down?
The first thing we have to do is cover the down payment.
Okay, well, it says first here, and this is the second thing we have to do, right?
We have to get the first mortgage.
First
the
mortgage,
first mortgage
yeah.
is going to be through FHA for $366,000.
Does it have to be FHA?
It could be conventional, but in this scenario, we're using 3.5% down to cover
Got it.
FHA.
So we're going to use FHA.
Yes.
Okay, good. So then after we got the first step of an FHA loan on a $380,000, how much is that first mortgage?
$366,700.
$366,700. Yeah. Anyway, second. What are we going to do second?
Now we have to find a down payment to cover the difference, which is 3.5% down, which is $13,300.
This music is throwing me off. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Okay, so how much is that going to be? $13,300, 3.5%. So that's just a standard FHA loan. FHA
Correct.
loan, 3.5% down.
Correct.
Purchase price $380,000.
Correct.
First mortgage $366,700.
Correct.
Second mortgage is 3.5%. Wow. Okay, keep going.
Okay, now the second part of buying a house is closing costs.
Closing costs.
We found a way to cover your closing costs through this program, which you can get either 3% or 4%.
Yeah, 3% or 4%. We use the 4% scenario. This is called the ZIP program. It's the ZIP program. So this is the HAFA plus the ZIP program. So the HAFA is going to cover the 3.5% down, and the ZIP program is going to cover your closing costs up to $15,200, which should be more than enough. If it's too much, we can just go for the 3%. But either way, how much are we going to have to pay for this out of pocket?
$0 down.
How much?
$0 down.
How much?
$0 down.
Good job.
This is for the
Okay,
ladies.
good. No, don't do that, dude.
So in this scenario, you're buying a house for $380,000.
Yes.
Your first loan is going to be $366,700.
Okay.
We're going to get you a down payment for $13,300.
Okay.
And we're going to cover the closing costs up to $15,200 in this scenario.
But Chris, I already know we're going to have payments on the $366,000. How much are the payments on the second?
Okay, great question. They're deferred. So for the first 30 years, the payments are deferred, which means you don't make a mortgage payment to the second.
So you're saying there's no mortgage payments until the end of the life of the loan. In this case, 30 years, right?
30 years,
30
or
years.
if you refinance or buy or
So
sell
no
the
payments,
house.
basically. No
None.
payments. No
None.
payments.
None.
Really?
Zero.
So, okay, I have to make payments on this, obviously. That's the first
Yes,
mortgage, yes?
absolutely.
Do I have to make payments on this?
Nope.
None.
None.
What's the interest rate?
The interest rate
It's 2.5, isn't it?
2.5%.
2.5% right now. Mm-hmm. And then that's just no payments.
Correct. Deferred. The payments are
Yeah,
deferred.
Deferred. Okay, good. All right, so then what about this number here?
Same thing. The payments are deferred, except this one comes with a zero interest.
So zero interest?
Zero interest.
For how long?
For 30 years, life of the loan.
30 years, zero interest?
Zero interest.
All right, that's cool. So I have to worry about payments on this one. I don't have to worry about payments on this, and
Correct.
I don't have to worry about payments on this.
Correct.
So in the real world, how much is this going to cost me? Break it down. I know you already have.
So the principal, interest, taxes, and insurance,
Otherwise known as PITI. You know why? Because it's principal, interest,
and it
taxes.
says PITI.
Okay, got it.
So it's $2,002.97.
$2,002.97. Got it.
Correct. This has an estimated monthly payment of $60 for your hazard insurance.
Hazard insurance. That's a little different.
That's
depending
fire
where you are.
insurance.
Yeah,
You know,
okay,
you
so-
have to
All right, got
have
it.
that.
Okay, cool.
And then your estimated taxes on this one are $395.83.
Okay, so that's just your standard tax base,
Correct.
not with all that extra.
Could go up, could go down.
Could go up, could go down.
Depending
All
on
right,
the property you choose.
got it.
Also, FHA comes with mortgage insurance, and in this scenario, it's $258.01.
258.1 for a total of. Let me do it.
Okay.
$2,716.81. 27. So how much do we get into this house for?
$0 down.
How much do we have to pay every month?
$2,716.81.
Okay, now sounds like a lot of stuff going on. How much would the person have to earn in order to get this whole package? How much do you think they'd have to earn?
$61,200 if they don't have any liabilities.
So $61,200 with no liabilities, and I can get into a house for $0 down and have a $2,716 payment.
Correct.
I don't have to pay interest on the second mortgage.
Yes.
I'm sorry. I don't have to make any payments on the second mortgage, but
Correct.
there is interest. I don't have to make any payments on the third mortgage. There's no interest on that one.
Correct, zero.
This seems like a great deal. How come not everybody's using it? How come not everybody's using it?
Many people are using it. You know
Okay.
which ones that are using it?
Which ones?
The ones that call us.
Hey, you know what we gotta do? Call Chris and Lee.
So for you out there that make about $60,000 a year, you can have a house for zero down with a monthly payment estimate of about $2,700 a month. If you want this program or you want more information on it, call Chris or Lee.
And we'll make you a flyer too. We got this one, Cal Halfa plus the ZIP program.
Oh,
It says
yeah.
Zero down, all closing costs paid for. What? Guess who's on this side? Chris and Lee. Guess who's on this? You.
So for all you realtors out there that know a lot of people and want to help a lot more clients this year, give us a call. We'll give you the tools in order to get it to the people that want to buy, and we'll teach you about this, and we'll close your loans fast.
So let's do a 30-second recap. Ready? How much is purchase price?
$380,000.
How much is first mortgage?
$366,700.
How much is the payment on the first mortgage?
$2,002.97.
How much is the second mortgage?
$13,300.
How much is the payment?
Zero.
Okay. How much is the third mortgage?
$15,200.
How much is the payment?
Zero.
How much is the interest rate on this?
Zero.
Awesome. That sounds like a good deal.
Yeah, I think it's a good deal for
Do
you
you think I
guys.
should cut the mood music before
I think
we
you
turn
should
off
bump
the
it,
video?
man.
Bump the mood music? All right, let's go all the way.
I'm a better dancer than he is. All right, guys. See you later.